Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the width of the depletion layer or the thickness of the depletion layer in the metal oxide semiconductor FET. As we know from the MOS capacitor that a depletion layer will be created just under the SiO2 layer, that is at the interface layer of the MOS capacitor, and this MOS capacitor is the heart of the MOSFET. So, according to the diagram, we can see that the depletion layer XD, a depletion layer XD has been created due to the depleted carriers, and it is a p type. So we can say that negative acceptor ions has been accumulated here, and these are the depleted charge carriers, and this is SiO2 and this is the p type substrate. Now if I denote this amount of energy as E of phi p, where E is the electronic charge, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, and phi p is the energy difference between the EFI and the EFP. Now this energy difference, if I extend the line of EFI towards the surface, then we can see this is the energy difference between the EFP and the intrinsic Fermi level at the surface. So I am denoting is as the E phi s. So we can say that phi p is the potential difference between EFI and EFP, and this phi p can be given as by the equation Vt ln Na by Ni, because we have taken a p type substrate. Now where Na is the acceptor concentration in the p type and Ni is the intrinsic carrier concentration, and phi s is the surface potential, or we can say it is the difference between the EFI and the EFP that is measured in the bulk and at the surface. So we can write the equation of XD, that is the depletion layer thickness, in terms of this phi s, and that will be 2 epsilon s into phi s divided by electronic charge E into Na to the power half. There is a derivation of XD or the depletion layer thickness by which we can derive this equation, but in the GATE examination the derivation is not required, only the conclusion should be needed during the examination. That is why I am using this conclusion, and this XD will give us the depletion layer thickness in the depletion mode of the MOS capacitor. So this is all about the depletion layer thickness XD in the MOSFET. Thank you.